doing that story. It is hot in that fire gear, and definitely feel for our fires and even respect them even more for what they do. As for tonight, though, we're seeing temperatures at 82 degrees here in Fort Myers across the luminary, but it is humid out there with right around 79% humidity, feeling like 89 degrees. As for the overnight temperature, though, getting down to 77 here tonight. We are expecting some clearing through the overnight hours. That's not going to last, though, because we are tracking a tropical wave moving through the Florida Straits as we get through the overnight hours in towards tomorrow. And this is really increasing our moisture. This is our water vapor imagery from satellites, and you can see all of that moisture that this wave of energy is bringing in across the state. Actually, let's take a look at radar right now, and you can see rain showers up from West Palm all the way through down in towards the Keys there. Also thunderstorms there at the time, but quiet still here in Southwest Florida for now. I do expect as we get into tomorrow morning that will start to change. So let me walk you through this. So 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, there's still a lot of rain off towards the East Coast, but as you get in towards about noontime, we're going to start to see that swinging towards us. You can see that down in towards the Collier County area, and then lifting off to the north. Widespread shower storms heading into the 2 o'clock hour tomorrow, and this is going to continue into the rest of the afternoon and into the evening hours. I do expect, though, our rain chances to start to back off once you get in towards about 7, 8 o'clock, though still could see a lingering shower or two. But this could be a pretty decent rainmaker for us, which is actually some good news. We need that, especially near our coastline. And the latest model data is giving us an inch or two up near the coastline, one of those heavier downpours that we will be watching out there tomorrow. So something to keep an eye on, especially as you go about your day. But again, like we said, we need it. Just looking at Sarasota, Bradenton, still in that extreme drought, but even down into Collier County, you're looking at abnormally dry conditions. Still seeing those drought conditions across much of Southwest Florida's coastline, which is good news. Again, getting that rain tomorrow. But because of the rain chances around, we are going to see a mixed bag of temperatures. I think if you get some of those heavier downpours, we could see some upper 80s to low 90s. So a little bit of a reprieve from those higher temperatures say we saw today, we've seen recently the last several weeks. But let's talk a little tropics. Hurricane Hilary out on the Pacific side, obviously watching that for our friends there. Here's the wave that we are keeping an eye on locally. 50% chance of development over the next 7 days as this kind of swings off into the Gulf out towards Texas later this week. And then watching another closer to home here as it moves in towards the Lesser Antilles Islands. 70% chance of development over the next 7 days. We also have newly formed Tropical Depression 6 there. That is starting to dissipate over the next couple of days there, and then watching also this wave, 70% chance out in the middle of the Atlantic, and another wave coming off of Africa at 30%. Very, very busy out in the tropics. As for Hilary, real quick, we do expect this to move up towards the San Diego area, making landfall in Mexico as a tropical depression sometime tomorrow. As for the 7-day forecast, so watching our showers and storm chances actually coming down, with temperatures still in the mid-90s.